My name is Cort, and we're here in Mahwah, New Jersey. We decided to change the siding of the house because we had cedar shake from the early 70s. And over time, with the weather and all those conditions, the shake started letting in water, which led to a lot of warping in the siding of the house. We had infestations of bugs and of a whole slew of other issues, which comes with not having a proper treated over time cedar shake house. Hardie is known in the industry and very well known for its durability, and it lasts for forever, probably outlast me. Our prior house had Hardie siding, which was well over 20 years old. And when we decided to sell the house, the agent asked whether it was new siding. So that actually talks to the durability and how it stands up to the test of time. Now I have no worries about leakage. I have no worries about insulation. It's just a solid house. We actually found Future Remodeling on the Hardie site. So we knew that once we found them and they were recommended on the Hardie site, they were of superior quality. We had met with several other siding experts, which actually didn't take their time to go through the intricacies of the house, what needed to be done. So they basically rushed the process. Whereas Future Remodeling spent actually several hours with us going over the details of the house, things that needed to be really looked at, and took their time to provide a proper estimate. My experience with the project manager was amazing. He took the time to really go through, walk the property with us, look at all the nooks and crannies, assess what may need to be done, made a lot of suggestions. Some things were decided when construction was going on. I've been through a lot of different projects in my life, and the communication was on point. At no point during this project did I have any unanswered questions. I knew the timing, I knew every step of the way what was going to be done. Again, I keep going back to the attention to detail, the craftsmanship, the workmanship. Looks like a new house. I'm thrilled. We've already gotten compliments from our neighbors. The reason why I would recommend Future Remodeling is if you want a dependable, meticulous, and super professional firm to entrust your asset with, I would recommend Future Remodeling hands down.